Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2009 Ram 2500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Support the fuel tank with a jack and remove it. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, clips, or other components from the work area. Step 3. Cut off the factory forward fuel tank crossmember. Avoid cutting into the frame rails. Step 4. Grind the work area free of rust and debris and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Align the replacement forward fuel tank crossmember using the factory silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the crossmember in place. Then fully weld all edges. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat to the crossmember and work area. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and primer spray paint. Reinstall any parts removed to install a frame repair kit. Use the included M10 nylon insert lock nut to reinstall the fuel tank. Reinstall any removed lines, brackets, or clips.